Bizmetrica has released some quality of life updates that will make your experience much smoother. First and foremost, the data will generate much quicker than before. One of our newest features is the ability to view your competitors' stock count. So this is important if you need to decide on your pricing strategy. Do you hold your price and wait for your competitors to run out of their inventory, or do you match their price because they simply have too many units in stock? You can also position the calculator anywhere you'd like on the listing to your preference. So you can leave it on the left hand side as you see here. You can move it down to the middle of the page, or you can move it to the right hand side. But you can also click and drag it wherever you like. So that's really cool there. Of course, you still have your estimated monthly units for listings with the data available. You have the amount of sellers, your item ID, and your UPC for the listing, along with your calculator. And of course, you have your historicals. So you have your pricing over time, your buy box breakdown, who is dominating the buy box on the listing, your ranking over time, and your reviews over time. If you are growing your Walmart marketplace business, if you're a private label seller, wholesale seller, then check out Bizmetrica. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions, you can also leave them in the comment section below. I look forward to connecting with you guys and listening to any feedback from you guys. Thank you very much.